Rolled out bookings and tours, nah bruv. It's more like sitting in my garage, get my iPhone, I hit record. Heard Steve Jobs made a killing in his garage. This is JohnnyKeynesFitness. Welcome to it. Alright, so I'm a personal trainer. I'm from Milton Keynes, England, UK. For those who aren't from the UK, who's thinking, where the hell is Milton Keynes? Yeah, so today I'm going to show you, I'm going to go through my whole workout with you. I need to work out today, so I thought I'm going to throw the camera on and I'm going to do it with you guys. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to warm up, because you always have to warm up. So I like to warm up with like 50 press ups, but because I'm doing this video, I'm going to do about 20 press ups, just a quick warm up. Or I might do 50, just depends on how I feel. Alright? Let's go. Oh, alright, that's me all warmed up. 30 press ups. Keep your core tight when you do press ups. Make sure you breathe in and out. Keep your head up. See me breathing already, so that means I'm warm, I'm ready to go. Alright, so today's exercise is going to be 4 exercises, and it's going to aim to work each body part. So I want to build muscle. If you have different goals and different things you want to achieve, then you have to set your rep range dependent to that. So if you're trying to build strength, you do 1 to 6. If you're trying to build muscle, you do 8 to 12 reps. And if you're trying to do, like, say, some cardio tone up and while still building a bit of muscle at the same time, you do about 15 to 25 reps. All right, I'm out of breath. Those 30 killed me. The full press, the back row, the squat, and the good mornings all in a row. I'm going to start with 12 repetitions, then I'm going to move down to 10 repetitions, and I'm going to do 8 repetitions. All right? 1, 2, make sure to stay looking forward. 3, keep your core tight. 4, 5, make sure those knees are slightly bent at all times. 6, 8, check your breathing. 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, yourself a little second breather, then straight into the back row. Now for 12 again. Let's go. Legs slightly apart. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Alright, little second breather. Catching my breath, you see 2 exercises in a row. A lot of intensity going into it. Let's go into the third exercise, the squat. Then for 12 again. 1, make sure you keep your core tight. Looking forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Really go low with the squat. 6, or as low as you can get anyway. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now feet together. We're gonna go for some good mornings. Little breather. Go for 12. 3, 2, 1. So you're coming down as far as you can get, looking forward the whole time, and bring it straight back up. Keep your legs slightly bent on the way down, stiffen them up a bit, but then bring them back to bendness as you come up. 3, Keep that core really tight as well. Find a spot to look at. 6. Take your time with it, really feel it. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Last one. 12. Oh my God. That's the end of round 1. So now you can have a 1 to 2 minute breather. See, all 4 exercises done in a row. No rest really. Just a little second just to get my breath back. And then I went straight back into it. That's the intensity you got to put in it at all times. When it comes to weight training or cardio training, you just got to go for it, man. The longer you're doing it, the better. And have a little rest afterwards. Get your breath back. Get your energy back. But not for too long, because you want to keep that heart rate up. You want to keep it racing. Yeah? Alright, so now, round 2, I'm going to increase the weights. And I'm going to do the same exact 4 exercises again. I'm going to do it for 10 repetitions this time. Remember, this is all for building muscle. If you have different goals, like strength or cardio, toning, and then remember, choose your rep range right. So if I was doing this for strength, I would probably have it way higher. So I'd have a lot more weight on there, and I'd only do 1 to 6 reps. So even if I could only push out 1 repetition, that's all I need. It's just to build strength. And now when you're doing like 15 to 25, probably have it around the same weight still, but instead of going up in weight, I'll go down in weight, and I'll do more repetitions. Alright, hope that explains it for you. Let's move on to round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, keep your core tight. 6. Make sure you're breathing all the time. 7. Keep that back straight. Make sure you're focused on the position in the walk. 8. 2 more. I can feel it now. 9. Last one. Woo. 10. Woo. Oh my God. That's tough. Alright, as quickly as possible. I always have like a 15-second rule. I've got to be doing the next exercise by then. Alright, let's go. 10, back row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Oh my Lord. Little breather. And you go get straight into the squats. Alright, let's go. Alright. Legs shoulder width apart. Knees slightly bent. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now legs together, little breather. Remember, keep your core tight. Keep breathing in and out. Look at point in the wall. 1. Go as low as you can. It don't matter if you can't go that low. 2. Let's keep that core tight. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 2. No. 3 more. You see I'm fat. 8. Now 2 more. 9. Last one. 10. And that's the end of round 2. Same exact exercises. Every muscle group hit. Increase the weight for that one. Felt it. Did 10 repetitions. You're gonna build muscle evenly around everywhere. Definition will be the same all over. Let's get on to round 3. Okay, now you gotta increase the weight one more time and do 8 repetitions. Do this. 8. See how much heavier it is now. It's gonna be so much harder. 2. Keep the same technique, I'll show you what I do. 3. 4. 5. Rest for 15 seconds. It's obviously extremely heavy. You just need a breather, just so you can get the last 3 out. I've done 5. 10 seconds more. I'm gonna do the last 3. Let's go. My form and technique were all over the place on that one. Whew. Well, you're gonna find that for like heavier weights, you will get your technique off a bit. It's alright. Just stick with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, that's it. Now we'll move on to the squats. This is tough. You're gonna find that you talk less. So I'm gonna give you less information as I go along because it's getting harder to breathe, so I've got to keep up with my breathing pattern. Alright, so squats. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, good mornings. Finish it off. 3rd set. Last round. Keep your core tight. Look at something in the wall. Keep your eyes on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. 7. 8. Oh my God. Oh. That's it. That is 3 rounds. Oh my God. That has killed me, guys. You see that? 3 exercises. Sorry, 3 sets, 4 exercises, all in a row, non-stop. You can't afford time. You can't give yourself too long of a breather. You don't want to be in the gym looking in the mirror for 2 minutes and forget that you only had a 30-second rest or a 1-minute rest. Make sure you're always focused, no matter where you're doing it. I'm doing mine in my garage, my garage, because it doesn't matter where you work out as long as you know what you're doing and what you want to get from it. You can work out in the forest. You saw Rocky. You're working in the woods. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gets you fit and it helps you along in your fitness journey. Johnny Keynes. You don't need those fancy gyms. That's alright. I'll stay in my garage, getting fit, staying healthy. The chorus, man, I'm flawless. Don't sleep on me, I got big plans.